Hi, my name is Lisana. Here is my video explanation of my homework for design. It's the encode and decode for the RC5. So this is the test bench of encode. We have two documents, the source document and the RC5 document, which is the source document encode from the RC5. So first we set the input as source, and after we encode, we want to check that whether the output equal or not equal to RC5. So if it is not equal to RC5, we display failed. This is the process that we first set the clear as 0, and we put the source into input, and after one period we set clear into 1, and after certain period then we can check if whether the output equals to RC5. So let's run the simulation. We can say from the this part, we can say that there is no field. So we can say that all test parts, and we can see the details from this part. We can say that like the first one, we set the input as 0, 0, 0, and after certain period, we can say that the output is A2, B5, blah blah blah. And we also can say like the first is 0, 0, 0, and the encode is A2, B5, blah blah blah. So we can say it is right. And also like this, D2, A2, D2, A2, all is right. We can check for the final, that is FFF, and the output is D3 to B, and we can check that it's also right. And for the decode, we can also check. This is the test bench of decode. We can set it at top. This is similar for the encode, but it is different because this is VHDL, so I set some bit version instead of the hex. Like this is the bit source and this is the bit RC5. And also we read line and we read the data from the line, and because this is bit, so we need to set it as std local variable, and this is then as the encode, and we need to access that the output is equal to source because this is decode, so the input is RC5. We need to check the output whether it's source. If it's not, it can report cascade error, and all is done. We close the file and we report all test passed. So let's run the simulation. We can say that stopped and it report all test passed and there is no error. So we can also see the details from the simulation part. We can say that the first number input is A2, B5, and we can say that after this process, the output is 0, 0, 0, 0. So we know that this is right because the B source is 0, 0, 0, 0, and the B RC5 is same as the RC5 is A2, B5. And for the final, we can also say that the input is D3 to B blah blah, and the output is FFFF, so that is right. And that's all. Thank you.